Hi, good morning all. So in this, we're going to discuss today's LeetCode daily challenge problem. Problem is that append character to string to make subsequence. Okay. So you are given two string S and T consisting of only lowercase English letters. So return the minimum number of characters to be needed to be appended to the end of the string S so that T becomes subsequence of S. Is okay. So let's take the example coaching and coding. Okay. So S is coaching, T is coding, right? So here I have to how to do? I have to actually make coding as subsequence in coaching. So it may be possible that I have to add more character in S. Okay, it may be possible. So first of all, check that if I don't add any character appending character in string S, is it a subsequence in S or not? Then I have to actually return answer will be 0. I don't have to add anything. Okay, let's check. C is present. Yes, C is present. Then I have to search O is should be present next. Yeah, O is present here. Okay, then I have to search D. No, D is not present in remaining string. So what will be the then possible situation that I have to add D here, right? Now what I have to search? I have to search I. But one observation you can see here that still I is present here, but one before actually previous letter I don't find in between in the string S. That's why I have to added this. That time we can't take this I. Why? Subsequence means what? Like if I have string ABC, then what are possible substring? Subsequence A, B, C, then AB, BC, then AC, then ABC. These are all valid subsequence. Then what are not valid? Like order should not be changed. If we change the order, like BA, then CA, got it? In this actually we can do CB. Why here what's happened? Like A should be before B, but what happened here? B is before A. It's not possible, right? Order should not be changed. So here actually like D I have taken in this location, and I am trying to take I from this before D. It's not possible to make a subsequent. What will happen? Then again I have to take another string character I. Okay. Then I have to search N. In may be present in before of the current character, but we can't take this because this is a subsequence. We can't change the ordering. So I have to again take a new character N. Then I have to take G. I have to search G. G is possible present but not next to the last character I have seen. So again I have to take a new character G. So how many character I have added here? D, I, N, G. Got it? So that's why your answer is 4. You got the logic, right? If any character I don't find in our current uh, string S, then the remaining the length of this T will be I have to append in our string S to make it a subsequence. Got it? One observation you find. Next test case like A B C D E. This is S. What is T? T is A. Okay, first I will search A. Yeah, A is present here. So actually I also ended the string T. So answer should be 0. Got it? Next example string is S is Z. T is A B C D E. Okay. Then first of all I have to search A. A is not present. So what I have to do? I have to append a character A. I have to append a character A. Then what I have said in the first example, like whenever I find any character is not present or I have to append anything, then what to do? I have to actually append the whole remaining string of T also in the S. So what to do? I have to actually append A, B, C, D, E. So how many character I have actually appended? 5. So answer should be 5. The actual answer is 5. Got it? So like in sequence I will search like from left to right I will search that current character there I should take 2 pointer like for here let's take A, B, C, D, E. Then suppose A, C, D, F. Okay, this is S, this is T. So take two pointer. This is P1, this is P2. Okay, actually what I have to find out, A is present or not. So from left to right, actually subsequence I have to create. So from left to right, I will search that whenever I get first A, then I will start that character, that position, my current subsequence. Okay, it may position like it may position multiple A are present. Whatever we take, we can start right from on which way. Like I can start from here also, current subsequence here also. Doesn't matter, right? So whenever I get the first A, I will take this and next I will discard this. Okay, no problem. So it will happen that now our target character is A. So from P1 I will search. Yeah, first of all I got A. Okay, then what will happen? Next search will be P2 will be currently here C, and I have increased the P1 also here. Now each B and C both are same. No, then I will go to the right of the S. P1 will be currently here. Yeah, because our current I have not found anything C. So our current character should be still C, but I have increased the pointer of S. So current pointer of character of S is C. Yeah, both are same. Then it's matched. Okay, so both will be increased by 1. Pointer will be currently in D, and also P1 will be currently D. So okay, then again what will happen? Both are same, both are pointing the same. Okay, target match. So P2 will be currently here and P1 will be currently here. Now what will happen? I will search both are same. No, both are not same. Then P1 is uh, ended. String S is ended. Now what will happen? We have still some element in T that I have not found anything till now, and I have ended the string S. What will happen? Then I have to append this remaining character in T to this string S. Then I can actually make a subsequence. Got it? So what will happen? Then I will check how many characters remaining in string T. How many? Like suppose length is here n1, n2. What will happen? N2 minus P2. This will actually give the remaining length of string T. That how many characters are still left to make a subsequence. So let's see the code. So I have taken two pointer P1 and P2. Got it. So suppose there is two situations I will discuss. Like when this is smaller and also subsequence like ABC and this is A. So what is the condition to go to the while loop? Like we still have not reached any one end of any string. End of the any string. So here P1 less than h dot size, still it's h dot size, and P2 less than t dot size. Okay, both should be pointers should be in between. Okay, now I'll check if both characters same or not. P1 and P2 both characters are not. If target matched, then what will happen? P2 next target I will find out. So P2 will be increased. Okay, and P1 will be always increased. Like if you matched or not matched. Okay, like first I will search A, then I will go to search. I will go to the next character as B. But here may possible that no character present. So what will happen? Then it will break because P2 already reached t dot size. So what will happen? I have already reached the end of string t. Then this will return 0 because P2 will be also t dot size. So both will be, if both are subtract, then it will be 0. Got it? Suppose the next situation is, suppose S is equal to AB and T is equal to, suppose A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so both are pointing same, P1 and P2. Now what will happen? Both are matched, so P2 will be increased. P2 will be here now, and P1 also increased here. Now what will happen? Yeah, both are matched again. So what will happen? P2 will be increased again. Now P1 increased, but it is reached the end of the string S. Right? So what will happen? This for loop, while loop will be break. Now come here. What will be the condition now? Like still I have three characters to find out that this is present or not, and I already reached the end of the string s. So what will happen? I have to actually find out what is the character remaining in t that I have to append to the string s, right? So how many characters are remaining? Here range is 5, and what will be the p2? P2 will be 0, 1, 2, 2. Then how many? What is the value? 3. Actually, I have 3 characters still remaining, right? C, D, E. So in this I will get answer 3. Got it? Both the situation I have discussed. Okay. Now let's calculate the time complexity of this approach. So I am actually traversing the while loop only once. There is only while loop, right? So what is the condition to run? Like p1 less than s dot size and p2 less than t dot size. So like makes what is the make, like I have to like suppose n1 is the length of string s and n2 is the length of string t. So whenever I reach any one of the end of any string, like which whenever the string is like it will be the smaller string will be reached, end will be reached first, right? I will reach end at the first, right? So what will happen that I will find out the what is the minimum length of both the string n1 and n2. Actually we can actually roughly what the time is big of n, because both are minimum n1 and n2, both are actually linear, depend on only n. So time will be roughly big of n. Got it? Time velocity and space complexity should be 1, because we are not using anything vector or array anything. We are only taking two variable p1 and p2. Got it, right? And also got the logic. Thank you.